Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nazmul and today I'm going to show my both classification code for SVM and NIPS. This code performs the sentiment analysis on a dataset using for SVM classifier. In the first point here, import the essential library for data manipulation, for feature extension and evolution metrics and handling imbalancing data. Here is the reload data. Actually, the data is load from my Google Drive, and then we use here converting sentiment to numerical value to define a convert sentiment level. Numerical value like positive is 1, neutral is 0 and negative is -1. The function is applied to create a new column numerical sentiment. Then we use the feature extension. Actually we use on TF-IDF vectorization transform to the data in the news column to numerical feature, and the target variable y is set to the numerical sentiment value. Then we here is use handling space data for Python. The code is identify the reason only the raw with non-zero TF IDF vector to ensure our meaning margin data for training. Then we use here synthetic minority of our sampling technique is applied to balance the class distribution in the data set. Then we use the train test split here to data is split into training and testing set. Then we use the parameter grid search CV. Grid search CV used to find the best hyperparameter for the SVM model by testing different contribution of kernel and C value. Then we use the training the best SVM model for using grid search CV on the training data. Then we here calculate the prediction on here. Then we use here a function here you use the function to define the determinant of prediction status for each test sample, and another function is non-zero TF-IDF value for the test set feature vector. Then we use here for the saving the result in the another CVS file in my Google Drive, and show the output. Let's run the code. Here we already discussed in my study the accuracy of SVM is 90, the precision is 90, recall, and F1 score is 89. Now discuss about my NAV-bias classification model. Here same we import the important library. The same process is for the data load, and then we use here sentiment column section for analyze and row without sentence. The sentiment data are removed to ensure clean data for analysis. Then we use here a function that sentiment to numerical convert textual sentiment into numerical value for machine learning algorithm to process. Then we use the feature extension TF-IDF. Then we use handle the zero vector, identify row with non-zero TF-IDF vector to ensure the only meaningful data is used to the modeling. Then we use here then we used here the same SMOTE. Then we same here trained test split. Then we use the parameter grid search CV for NIPS to hyperparameter training for the NIPS classifier to find the best parameter for this model. Then we use the prediction and metrics. Then we make this prediction status to determine the status of each prediction, like true positive, false negative, to understand the model performance better. Then we here for the classification report, to classification report, the Navier bias model is printed and providing the detailed performance. Then we use here extract the non-zero TDF value. Then here we use the create the data in my Google Form and show the result. Let's run this code. Here already discussed in my report, the accuracy for knife bias is 86%, precision also 86%, recall is 84%, and F1 score is 85%. Thank you.